Imagine walking into your favorite local shop. You pick out an item, walk up to the counter, and hand over your credit card. But right behind you, an invisible thief is standing there, openly reading your card number, your password, and your private details right over your shoulder. If your company's website doesn't have that tiny padlock symbol in the browser bar, this is exactly what is happening to your customers every single day. You might unknowingly be handing your secrets to a complete stranger. Hi everyone, welcome back to SSL International. Today, we're breaking down website security into the ultimate, simplest guide for business owners and beginners. Let's make sure your digital storefront isn't leaving its back door wide open. So, how do we stop this invisible thief? It all comes down to something called SSL. To understand it, let's use the envelope analogy. Sending data through an unsecure website is like sending a postcard. Anyone who handles that postcard along the way, from routers to internet providers, can easily read everything written on it. But when you install an SSL certificate, it acts like a digital envelope. Not just any envelope, but a sealed, wax-stamped envelope. It encrypts the data, making sure that absolutely no one can read or alter your message, except the final receiver. The good news is, you don't need to be a professional hacker or a tech genius to spot danger on the web. You just need to look out for 3 simple red flags in your browser. First, look at the URL. If it starts with HTTP in red, that's your first major red flag. It means the site has 0 encryption. Second, look for the warning that explicitly says "not secure" right next to the domain name. To fix this, you want to see the green flag, HTTPS. That extra S stands for secure. When you see that S and the little padlock icon, you know the digital envelope is sealed and your data is safe. As a business owner, website security isn't just about complex technology, it's about trust. Think of it as a trust meter for your brand. The moment that secure padlock appears, your customers' trust goes up, making them feel safe enough to browse, share their information, and buy from you. Without it, they will simply bounce to a competitor. So here is your quick 3-step checklist to protect your site today. Check your website's URL bar right now. Look for the S in HTTPS and the padlock icon. If it's missing the lock, don't panic. Here is how to fix it. Head over to the link in our description box below. Our team at SSL International is ready to help you secure your business website with the right SSL solution in just a few clicks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple cybersecurity guides. See you in the next video.